So, what's the biggest empire in history? Starting off in 5th place, we have the Qing dynasty. This Chinese empire reigned from 1644 to 1912 and at its peak controlled over 14 million square kilometers, covering many countries in Central Asia, including countries such as Mongolia and Taiwan. In 4th place, it's the Spanish Empire. At its peak in the 18th century, Spain controlled territories across Europe, the Americas, Africa, and even the Philippines, covering nearly 18 million square kilometers. Taking 3rd place is the Russian Empire. As if Russia wasn't big enough on its own, the Russian Empire had to expand to a staggering 23.7 million square kilometers, stretching all the way from Eastern Europe to Alaska in North America. It was huge. In 2nd place, it's the Mongol Empire. Founded by Genghis Khan in the early 13th century, this empire was the largest contiguous land empire ever, covering over 24 million square kilometers. The Mongols were unstoppable and brutal, conquering territories from China all the way to Eastern Europe. And finally, in 1st place, it's the British Empire. At its peak in the early 20th century, the British Empire ruled over 35 million square kilometers, about a quarter of the world's land area. Only 22 countries in history were never invaded by Britain. How crazy!